microscope. A microscope is an instrument that allows us to observe things invisible to the naked eye.
Parts of microscope. Parts of microscope. This is an eyepiece. This is an eyepiece.
This is a tube.
This is a tape.
This is a stage.
This is a stage.
This is a lamp.
This is a lamp.
This is a base.
This is a base.
These are objectives.
These are objectives.
This is revolving nose piece.
This is revolving nose piece.
This is a coarse adjustment knob.
This is a coarse adjustment knob.
This is fine adjustment knob.
This is fine adjustment knob.